Hello students, welcome in moral science class. I hope all are doing well at home. Children, we are back with chapter 2. The title of the chapter is Communication Skills. Communication is the act of conveying messages from one group to another with the help of signs, symbols and semiotic rules. Communication skills involve listening, speaking, observing, and empathizing. The words you write or speak to others can leave a huge impact and create a lasting memory, either good or bad. So, it's super important to choose them wisely. Words can make or break a relationship. Your mind is a garden. Your thoughts are the seeds. You can grow flowers or you can grow weeds. So, beta, come on your story. Page number 10. The title of the story is The Power of Words. Let's start. A blind boy sat on the steps of a building with a hat by his feet. He held up a sign which said, "I am blind. Please help." There were only a few coins in the hat. As you can see in the picture, boy is sitting with the hat with the signboard, and in the signboard it is written, "I am blind." Second paragraph, a man was walking by. He took a few coins from his pocket and dropped them in the hat. He then took the sign, turned it around and wrote some words. So a man was passing by him and he saw very few coins in his pocket. So he also dropped some of the coins in the hat and he turned the signboard and he wrote some words on the signboard. Now third paragraph, he put the sign back so that everyone who walked by would see the new words. The hat began to fill up. A lot more people were giving money to the blind boy. Now, beta, see suddenly that his hat is going to fill with the money. But how? You see here with the magic words. Means the man who was walking, he turned the signboard and he wrote some new words. What was that words? We will read in the next paragraph. The boy wondered what the man had written on the sign. He sought the help of a woman and she read out the sentence. What was the sentence? What was written in the signboard? That is, "Today is a beautiful day and I cannot see it." Now see, beta, from this story we get a very crystal clear message, and that what is the power of words. And these words only works as a magic. As blind boy was having a signboard and it was simply written, "I am a blind, please help." He was getting money but not too much. Then a man turned the signboard and wrote some words that today is a beautiful day and I cannot see it. So here you can see the difference of words. With that words, his hat filled with money. So beta, whenever we talk with someone, we should talk politely. so that the next person should not feel bad or hurt by your words. So I hope you got knowledge from this story that we should talk politely with all. Okay, now come on page number 11. Here the title of this page is Importance of Communication. Do you understand what we really mean by communication? In simple words, communication is the sharing of ideas, views, opinions, and information. Though communication is possible without a language, what we mostly use in our daily life is verbal communication or communication through language. As you share your joys and sorrows, ideas, views, opinions, information with your parents and friends, that is called a communication. Mostly we use verbal communication or communication through language. So, a study conducted in Japan reveals that 70% of our total working time is spent communication in same manner. So, communication mainly happens through reading, writing, talking and listening. So here through this picture you can see that people are trying to communicate with different modes of communication. Reading skills include 20%, writing 10%, listening 40% and talking 30%. So here, as you know beta, reading is an effective skill. As you are reading from your books, you get the information. Same way through newspaper, magazines, also you get a written information. Next is writing. In writing skills, you can convey your views or ideas to other person through email, fax, WhatsApp and some other modes also. Next, listening skills. Listening skills are very effective skills. It is very useful for you in the class when teaching is in progress. You will get knowledge from your teacher when she will be sharing her ideas with you. See, now these days we are in lockdown. So, listening skill is very important as you are getting videos through your listening power and you are able to make your study successful. So, it is very important for you. Next is talking. When you share your ideas or information with the next person by speaking, such kind of communication can be done with the help of mobile and telephone, etc. So, the statistics above indicates that we should try to become better communicators. Our communication skills play an important part in our success and happiness. So, by following all these communication skills, we should be a good communicator. Fine. So, I hope you will follow all these communication skills and you will also become a good communicator. So, that's it, students. We will meet in the next video. Goodbye.